Hey there, welcome to yet another fantastic episode. We're thrilled to have our hands on this incredibly ingenious YIZHAN 4K digital microscope, a true game changer when it comes to performing detailed observations and going above and beyond. So, what's fresh and exciting about this one? You've definitely got to be prepared for a mind-blowing 4K resolution that transports your microscopic realm to life in stunning clarity, all combined with an exceptionally user-friendly interface and eye-catching, lively display that never fails to catch your attention. Now, for those of you excited to dive even deeper into sophisticated features and tools, let's jump right in. So, you're in the mood to kick off with completely accurate measurements and thorough checkpoints. Simply head over to calibration and make sure to set up your all-time favorite scale. Once you're done with that, you can conveniently utilize the on-screen tools that are just superbly accurate for capturing those awesome shots. There are a few quick tweaks you can make in exposure and white balance within image settings. This fantastic microscope has been meticulously designed just for you, so you can take your time exploring and end up with a huge smile on your face. We couldn't be more proud of you for sticking around, and if you had a fantastic time doing what you love, go ahead and give us a click like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing tech discoveries and out-of-box ideas. Professionals will value its advanced optical system, meticulously engineered for superior image fidelity and minimal distortion, ensuring every observation is precise. Coupled with an intuitive interface and robust, ergonomic design, the YIZHAN 4K offers effortless operation. You can seamlessly capture high-resolution images and videos, and even perform accurate on-screen measurements, making detailed analyses incredibly efficient. Overall, the YIZHAN 4K is more than just a flashy camera. It's an innovative and well-built piece of technology that makes your work easier and more efficient at inspecting devices, conducting research, or working on craftsmanship that requires precision. It's a must-have for anyone who loves their tech.